Good morning. We are extremely pleased that you are here. It is good to come together for the purpose of co-creating. Do you agree? Yes. Co-creation at its best. You are knowing what you are wanting? It's nice, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Well, when your desire pleases you, it's nice. And when your desire pleases you, it means you believe it. If your desire is not pleasing you, if your desires are not pleasing you, it only means that you've been practicing thoughts that contradict them. And so when you activate your desire, your habit of thought activates, and it causes a sort of tug of war in you, doesn't it? So the whole key to living happily ever after, which is what successfully ever after is to bring your beliefs into alignment with your desires. Sometimes you're not sure if your desires are appropriate, but we want you to know that if this time-space reality has helped you to discover them, that you have been launching these rockets of desires bit by bit, and that there is a valid, supported by source energy desire that exists for you. It exists in the non-physical realm. It exists in what we are calling your vortex of creation. It exists as a vibrational reality. And as long as it is existing by your creation as a vibrational reality, then it has to come to be. It has to come to be. The question is, at what point will you allow it to come into your full-blown manifested reality? As we visit with our physical friends, so often you think that what we are wanting to do is to talk to you about vibration and talk to you about otherworldly things and talk to you about energy and talk to you about meditation and talk to you about getting yourself into a vibrational place that feels really good to you. And of course, that is what we are wanting for you. But it is not to distract you from the physical world. It is to enhance your physical world. It is to make you more ready to be the receiver of the things that you're wanting in this physical world. We see you back there, hiding behind the speaker, and you. Watch the screen, we're there too. We want you to know that as we are moving forward here today, that we are aware of each of you. We are aware of what you are about. We are aware of how you are vibrationally falling along. We are aware of where you are in relationship to your desires. That's the best part about that inner being part of you. Clear understanding of what you desire and what you have come to and who you fully are. And clear understanding of where you stand in relationship with that. And so, as we are moving forward in this glorious week that we will be together, it is our promise to you that wherever you are in relationship to who you really are and what you really desire, that gap will close, in most cases, altogether. And you will stand in the place of allowing, finally, the things that you have been asking for. And then the magic of your life will demonstrate itself to you as things manifest in your experience. We'll be talking about energy and we'll be talking about vibration, but mostly what we are wanting you to come to understand is how the vibrations and the thoughts turn to the things that you call your see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, touch it reality. We want you to understand that everything around you supports you and your desire. We want you to get a sense of how non-physical feels about you and all the thought and attention that is flowing toward you at all times. We want you to become aware that you are the creator of your own reality, but that you are not doing it alone. We want you to feel the love and appreciation of the masses who surround you, who are part of your sifting and sorting and deciding and coming to the conclusions of what matters to you and who you are. We want you to know that everything that you decipher from life, that you see as something that is good, that you want more of, source energy is flowing toward it. There is a stream of well-being that is indescribable. Esther cannot find adequate words to describe this energy stream that we are talking about. And so, as we're moving forward in the hours and days that are before us, pay attention to the things that are happening specifically to you. This isn't a collective consciousness that is just doing its work here as you've gathered in large numbers in order to help the world be a better place. This is about you. This is specifically for you. This is your creation, and together it is our absolute knowing that it will be magnificent. It is our expectation that together we will take thought beyond that which it has ever been before. You're going to find definitions and meanings and understandings that will click into place that you've been on the verge of for a while. You're going to feel yourself come into concert with source energy, and you're going to feel the clarity of questions that are inspired to you. You're going to feel the exponential expansion that you provide for one another. But we want for you, for each of you, we want you to experience this as something very personal, because look what you have managed to accomplish. Look how you have gathered here in this magnificent place. Look at what you are upon and what you are about. And pay attention to what follows as a result of this dynamic synergy that we are all about together. And most of all, it is our desire that you feel, especially in these days that now follow this one, not just the days of this week, but all of the rest of the days of your physical experience. We want you to feel the impactful tipping of vibrational balance that has taken place within you in this week. And we want you to then watch the response of the universe, both non-physical and physical, to that movement of energy within you. So we know you know what we are about. We know you know that you are vibrational beings. We know that this universe is managed by the magnificent, always fair law of attraction. We know that you have been deliberately creating, and we can feel the power of that which you are. And so we're going to wedge our message in the crack. We're not going to spend a long time getting you warmed up. You are warmed up already. And so, what is important to you to talk about here? What do you want to talk about? There's a lot of trouble in this room. We're going to have a really good time together.